Oh man, so there is blood on the streets. The market is bleeding red, as you can see right here on the screen, guys. Everything is down and down significantly. And for a lot of you guys who are new in this space, you may well be panicking. You may be opening up your portfolio and you're probably 50, 40, 30, 20% down, depending on where you were buying. And this really could be hurting you guys. And that's why I want to make this video for you guys to say, hey, don't panic. We've been through this all before. We saw Bitcoin trace down all the way down to 28 before going back up to all-time highs at 67. This is a volatile asset class. This is where you can see massive pumps and massive dumps and the market move double digits very calmly, retrace and gain it back up in 5-6 days, right? And that is why if you want to make wealth in crypto, you've got to, one, have the stomach for it. Two, you should only invest as much as you're willing to lose. And three, you've got to have the patience and the psychology to buy the dips, to dollar cost average, and to hodl. And so today's video, what we're going to focus on is finding some hidden gems, understanding how do we spot which ones have been sold a lot, and what are some of the deals we're seeing on the market right now. Because when the market is red, that's when we get to work, right? When it's green, you should not be buying, really. Your job is done, you sit back, you let it run, right? When it's red, that's when we need to roll up our sleeves and we need to get to work finding good high conviction plays, right? This is where this is the time when you're not lazy, you research your favorite projects, which you would have been doing all this time anyway, and then when the sale comes, we're ready to pounce with our cash. And as always, guys, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. You guys know I'm committed to not only bringing you TA, but also the psychology and the fundamental analysis required to build sustainable wealth in crypto. So if you appreciate that and you want to join this journey, hit the like button, subscribe, and join this effort. But before we do so, don't forget to collect your free money. I've not said this in a while. Go and collect your free money. You guys have not been collecting your free money. Links in the description. You've got Swissborg offering you up to 100 euros, guys. 100 euros when you deposit just 50 euros or more. Coinbase will give you $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto. And don't forget, BlockFi will give you $10 in Bitcoin when you deposit $100 or equivalent in crypto. So go get your exchanges ready, because now we need to be finding those projects which are dipping right now. And the first one, and the most obvious one, is the one sat at the top of that list right there, which is Bitcoin. You can see here that Bitcoin is down over the last 7 days, 14%, right? I know a lot of people who were FOMOing in on Bitcoin around 60, 65, 64, waiting for this last quarter of a 4-year cycle boom, right? At all-time highs, they were rolling up their sleeves and ready to buy in. Well, what's changed? Has anything fundamentally changed? If so, why are you not now buying at 48? Just a question, right? It's not financial advice. It's just a question for your own psychology. What is stopping you from buying right now at 48? Let's move on to Ethereum. Same thing, down 6%. Still one of the stronger ones right now. It's outperforming Bitcoin this year by quite far. What's stopping you on Ethereum? Let's scroll down further. Solana, great example here at Solana. In fact, let's look at the chart on Solana. Look at Solana, guys. Look at this. People were FOMOing in 258 at the highs here, and now we're sitting 184. Where's the FOMO now? Has anything changed from the project? What's changed? Has total value lock changed? Have the projects changed? Has Serum changed? Has Saber changed? Have any of these projects changed on Solana? So therefore, why are you not pouncing on this as a potential dip? If you had true conviction in the stock, you don't need the market to tell you or to give you conviction that this is a great project. So questioner, ask yourself, what's going on here? Let's look at another one. Let's look at Luna, right? Look at Luna, absolute tear. We've been covering this on this channel. Look at this beautiful upward channel. Look at this beautiful upward channel. We came out slightly, we tore straight back up, and now we're at the top. If we can break here, you can see I set this Fibonacci target here for Luna at 76.79, and you can see we wicked right above it. We met my Fibonacci target, which people were laughing about a long time ago when I created this. Right? So these are the projects you want to be looking at. Has anything fundamentally changed? No. So when you see a down day when it's down 7%, isn't that a bargain? Let's look at some other projects. You got VET. VET is now down. Look at this. Look at that. Look at where this is on the charts. I mean, you're getting pricing now, which dates all the way back to 30th of September. And before then, prices back to July prices on VET. Let's look at Matic. We were covering Matic yesterday. Matic's done really well here. But Matic is down 10% today. What is going on? Look at that dip. This is roaring all the way up to our price target of $2.08, right? But a big dump today, 10% down. Is that an opportunity? Is that when you want to be buying? Should your psychology be making you buy when everything is greener? I know a lot of people who are buying on this breakout, buying into the green candle. Why? Because they got green candle disease, right? They need the market to tell them, you've done a good job. You're buying when it's green. Oh, look, it's up today. I just bought it, it's up. If I buy and it's red for a couple of days, great. That's the right time to be buying. That's the season to be buying. And I'll buy in many chunks. Right? Because that's the price range I want to be buying in. I don't want to be chasing tops. I want to be buying bottoms. And I know you guys have heard about that, but it's about time we put that into practice. Even Doge. Look, funny that Doge comes up. Why is no one talking about Doge right now? If you're a Doge believer, and you were when it was on SNL, when everybody thought it was going to go to $1, why don't you secretly buy some Doge now? Do you not think it's going to rise like the Phoenix and go again? Maybe it will, right? So if that's something where you were looking to play at, look, why are you not playing at it now? If you had belief in it at that time, why don't you have belief in it now? Interesting. Let's look at DOT, another great project which is just getting absolutely smashed for no reason whatsoever. Look how far off we are from all-time highs here on DOT. For me, fundamentally, amazing project. You guys know that if you watch my altcoin portfolio video, DOT is an absolutely no-brainer. They've made huge moves here in terms of launching their first parachain. We know so many great projects are getting ready to launch on there. We know they've done well with their sister chain, Kusama. This should not be at prices dating all the way back to 28th of September. Crazy, right? So again, were you the person buying it when it was pumping and getting mainstream headlines? Did you need that conviction to buy? Or can you quietly buy now when nobody really cares right now? That's going to be the key. That's going to be the what's going to determine whether you build wealth in crypto or not. Look at Link. Link is absolutely getting annihilated for no solid reason. Again, if you can name me a better project that's going to be the de facto data oracle play for all of these smart contracts to plug into, then I'll stop buying Link. I'll go buy the one that you're showing. But show me it. Because at the moment, Link is by far the biggest with the most partnerships. And again, look at the pricing. You're getting pricing pretty much down to July pricing. Crazy in the crypto space. That is absolutely crazy. And when you look at my Fibonacci target on DOT, I'm waiting for a 77.45 DOT here, $77. So to consider you could be buying this right now at 20, massive potential in DOT right now. So you can get the point of what I'm doing here, guys. And you can go down the list. You can see ADA is down 22.58%. If you're a believer in ADA, then where is it now, right? If you were the person that was buying this and FOMOing in at $3 on ADA, where are you now? We've covered Polkadot, we've covered Dogecoin, let's Avalanche, another great one, down 20%, another solid layer one platform. We've covered it on this channel. We know what it's about, down 21.8%. Or has anything changed? Has the total value lock changed? Has it been hacked? Has the founding team changed? No. It's just macroeconomic emotions and sentiment, which is perfect for us investors. We should be capitalizing on that. We should be looking for those opportunities, and we should be picking up more of our favorite coins. You should have a list of your favorite coins with price points of when you want to buy more. And you should not be doing this based on emotion. You should just be triggering it based on your rules. When Avalanche hits 85, I'm buying this. When it dips to 80, I'm buying even more. Have it written down on your favorite plays, and that way your emotion doesn't get involved. Let's keep looking. What else do we have? Crypto.com down 16%. How many people were FOMOing in when they did the Lakers stadium deal? How many people were FOMOing in? A lot. Litecoin down 23%, Uniswap down 26%, Algorand down 15%, another solid layer one which we cover on this channel. And trust me guys, when these projects start to get their cycle on the media back again and they're pumping, I know these same people watching this video who are unable to buy now are going to be buying at those prices. But that's when we'll be selling, right? That's when we'll be taking profits. That's when we understand that when it gets peak media hype, that's when we start looking to take profits and rotate into the next project. That's how this game works. And we can continue to go on and on and on. Axie Infinity, I know plenty of people foaming in on that, down 20%. 20% discount, guys. Are you buying still? VeChain, we covered 23%. FTX token, another great exchange platform, down 16%. Elrond down 21%. Internet Computer, ICP, 27%. A lot of great projects. Filecoin down 28%. Hedera, HBAR down 22%, Theta Network down 28%, 28% on Phantom, which you guys know we're covering on this channel, 28%. Do you know how many people were buying at $3 plus when the conference was going on? We covered it on this channel. Go and what has changed psychologically? Has anything changed? Has the total value changed? Have any of the metrics changed around it? Have they suddenly gone backwards in any steps? Has their team changed? Have they got hacked? No. It's just macroeconomic games, right? So you should have the conviction to be adding to your position. If you're buying at $3, what's stopping you from buying at $1.49? Very interesting how the human psychology works, and that's what we need to get our heads around. So there you go, guys, a quick update on what we are seeing in the macro market here on crypto and some of the projects which I think you should be looking at seriously, not financial advice, at loading your bags on. Right now is a great time, still a lot of super great discounts on some of these projects. This is a rare opportunity you get. I mean, another one I'm just looking at while I'm summing up, 14% down on Sandbox. Just a week or two ago, Sandbox is getting hyped majorly. Right? So these are when we need to start looking at those projects and really starting to buy the dip. When others are fearful, we get greedy, right? That's when we roll our sleeves up and we get to work. Not when it's green. When it's green, we go on holiday. We chill, right? We deserved it. Well-earned rest. So that's the kind of psychology I want to help you guys develop. If you appreciate that, join this channel, hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget, pin comment will be the first link to our private Discord server, free. Head into there. meet like-minded people. We talk about these things all the time. We share our favorite coins. You can tag me on any questions as well. Definitely be a part of that network. And if you want to support this channel a little bit more, consider hitting the join button and becoming a member of this channel. That really does help me out to bring you more content like this, but also you'll get access to our community thread where you can ask me questions one-on-one on your favorite coins, your portfolio, etc. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.